We are talking about the whole cluster of illegal constructions there, breaking the legal framework of the Indus Treaty waters. This follows remarks in April by Pakistan's Planning Minister Absa that the country had only about 90 days of water storage capacity. This falls well below regional and global benchmarks, with regional economies typically maintaining more than 120 days of storage and the global benchmark standing at roughly 300 days. Cutting flows would have serious implications for Pakistan's agriculture and overall economy, but any project would take several years before it has an impact. Pakistan has previously said it would consider any attempt to change the flow of cross-border waterways as an act of war, saying that the 160 treaty remained in force as there was no mechanism to unilaterally withdraw from it. It had also urged the UN Security Council to take up the dispute over the Indus Waters Treaty, warning that India's continuous unilateral suspension of the treaty carries grave peace and security as well as humanitarian consequences for the whole South Asia. We should remember, all of us, that internationally the Indus Waters Treaty is widely celebrated and recognized as one of the most durable transboundary water sharing mechanisms in history, brought by the World Bank and established as a framework that successfully insulated vital resource management from broader geopolitical hostility for over 6 decades. There is a global perspective on the Indus Water Treaty, which is defined by several key elements or pillars. First of all, this treaty should stay in consideration with a separation over integration. What does it mean? Unlike treaties that require joint management of an entire river, the Indus Waters Treaty essentially separated or divorced the river systems. It allocated the 3 eastern rivers, Ravi, Beas and Sutlej, entirely to India, and the 3 western rivers, Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, to Pakistan. This separation is the key reason for its long-term resilience. The treaty also created the Permanent Indus Commission, which mandates regular commissioner meetings. This channel is a vital conflict management mechanism that survived multiple full-scale wars and prolonged.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।